Zhuque is one of the 4 mystical beasts in China. It's a classic totem symbolizing auspiciousness, symbolizing peace and joy. When the myth becomes a reality, now it's attached to this machine beside me.
XCMG LW500HV is the mine model with the best reputation, strongest structure, and highest efficiency among the 3.3 meters wheelbase heavy-duty models. Looks down upon the whole industry. The frame structure with the super load bearing capacity. The frame is solidly and reliably articulated, adapting to heavy load working conditions and high-intensity operations. At the same time, XCMG's professional power-making technology enables the whole machine to respond quickly and reduce fuel consumption. With an average fuel consumption of 13 liters per hour under comprehensive working conditions, the count weight is increased, which makes the operation more stable. The lifting force of the cylinder is larger, and the rated load reaches 5.3 tons. It adopts an equal wheelbase centering design, which brings flexible steering and strong side adaptability.
In order to maximize the operation efficiency and bring more benefits to customers, the bucket capacity is available from 3 cubic meters to 5 cubic meters according to the working conditions. Due to the excellent bucket design, one bucket operation volume is increased by nearly 20% compared with ordinary products.
With the fully enclosed integral cap, the detailed design is more humanist. Air conditioning, places for storage and pickup charger, reducing noise and dust to give you a car-like operating experience.
LW500HV is your best choice on the way to success. XCMG for your success.